Hey guys, and welcome to Simply Hike. Today we're going to be taking a look at the women's Berghaus Zulia jackets. Let's take a closer look now, shall we? So, first off, I'm going to let you know that the waterproofing on this jacket is AQ2, so it is 100% waterproof and it is breathable as well, 100% breathable. So it's, pretty much a very common membrane within the Berghaus range. The actual front part of the jacket itself, it does have like almost the micro ripstop material, so it's nice and lightweight, but you can pretty much kick the hell out of this jacket and it will survive. So let's go through the features, shall we? It's got a very traditional jacket feel to it. So you've got the hip pockets on the front there. Yet again, as you will see, they are completely sealed units. So whatever you pop in this actual pocket itself, zip it up, it will stay nice and dry. The inside as well has a fleece lining on the inside. So if you're doing a bit of winter hiking or winter walking, you don't like wearing gloves or you lose a glove, you can quite literally pop your hand in there and it will keep it nice and warm for you. The front, obviously, should we say the collar itself is nice and high, a nice raised profile in the front as well. So yet again, if you've got a shoot or anything like that, that's going to fold out, or a scarf, and that's going to give you all the space that you need without having to choke you. Also does mean as well, if it does get a bit nippy out there, you could pretty much just bring it up to the front of your nose, just covering your, the front part of your face. And again, you've got a nice traditional popper at the top. And then you've got a popper system at the bottom. So yet again, that's going to obviously act as a storm flap, which obviously is AQ2 waterproof. You have the main zip, and then behind it as well, you have another storm flap. So what that's doing, that's completely sealing the actual zip unit itself. So it's going to stop, as I say, rainwater, and obviously it's going to help reduce the wind chill as well. On the inside, you've got your nice insulated padding, should we say. Very traditional, very standard. So they haven't tried to play around with putting too many zips or pockets on the actual inside itself. That's just so it doesn't interfere with your actual insulation, and, so it doesn't allow hot air or cold air to escape. The only thing you do have is a nice traditional side pocket, which is nice and spacious. It is quite literally that section there is the whole pocket itself, so it's big enough for your OS maps, your GPS systems, and as I say, the fact that you can zip it as well, any valuables like your keys, your wallets, your mobile phones, you can pop in there nice and easy. So that's the front part and the actual inside of the jacket. Let's take a look at the back now. So, as you can see, it does have an alpine fit to it. So it is slightly lower in the bum region, obviously just to cover that. Yet again, that's going to work really well if you do have a pair of over trousers as well. Just means it's going to run smoothly down the front there. Obviously, it's slightly fitted as well, so it's going to be a better fit for you. Also means if you can do a bit of fast-paced hiking or scrambling, the actual jacket's going to move with you. Now obviously you've got the two toggle systems on the front of the hood, and you also have a toggle system on the back. Now when adjusting these, this adjusts the hood so it actually fits you. So if you don't actually play around with the toggles themselves, it's just going to generally stay like that. So when you move left to right, the actual hood will just stay in the one position. But if you play with the toggles, the actual hood itself will move with you. Also, that's going to help with the peak as well. So that's going to raise the peak, so it's going to give you all the vision you need. So you'll be able to see where you're going, where you are, and when you turn around, you'll be able to see where you've been, and you've got good peripheral vision as well with that. As I say, it's just going to give you good overall vision just from having that peak. Anyway, if you'd like any more information on this jacket, please visit our website, simplyhike.co.uk.